Hi YouTube, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Linux development environment on a Chromebook in 2026. So we're going to go over here to the left to the launcher and click on that. And then we want to go on down to settings here. And we have all these options on the left of the settings. We want to go all the way down to About Chrome OS and click on that. And if we go down here all the way to the bottom, we see Linux development environment, and we can click Setup. And it says Setup Linux development environment. We're going to click Next. It's going to give you a username and a disk size with a recommended disk size. I'm going to leave both the same as is. You can change those if you want. And I'm going to click Install. And this is going to take a few minutes to go ahead and install. My internet connection is not super, and it's a rainy day, which tends to slow it down a little bit. So this may take a few moments. I'm going to let it run in real time just so you see how long you might expect it to take. Now you notice the message there, it said configuring the Linux container, this may take up to 30 minutes. That was not 30 minutes, that was real time. Anyways, so we get this message here that Crostini has switched by default to a containerless design for new environments starting in Chrome OS version 143 and newer. If I want to get rid of that, I'm just going to hold this down, highlight it, and it'll copy it, and then I can do Control-Shift-V to copy that command in and hit enter. So I won't get it the next time I open up the terminal here. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to right click and pin the terminal here because I'll probably use it a fair amount. And I can actually close out my settings too. And what I'll do now is I'll clear everything. And let me make this font a little bit larger so you can see it. We're just going to make sure everything's up to date. So I'm going to type in sudo apt upgrade, sudo apt update, and then 2 ampersands sudo apt upgrade with a -y here. And I'm going to hit enter, and that's going to run through and make sure everything is up to date. And you might see here that we're on Debian Trixie. The other thing I'm noticing is Python version 3.13 is in there. Okay, so everything's gone ahead and updated. We can clear this out. And now you can use terminal apps. You can install terminal apps. One terminal text editor that's built in is Vim, so you could go into Vim. But you can install other stuff as well. I don't think Nano is installed. Oh, no, it is. Okay. So Nano is installed. You can go into Nano. And you can also install .deb files at this point. So something like if you wanted to use Pulsar Edit, that's a .deb file. I could download that, install that, and start using that app. Hopefully this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a like and subscribe as it helps more people see it. And yeah, hope to see you in the next video. Thanks.